Imagine waking up in a world where your morning coffee is brewed by a robot, your office tasks are managed by artificial intelligence, and even your doctor is a machine with flawless diagnostic precision. This scenario is no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. It's rapidly becoming our reality. The future of robotics is advancing at an unprecedented pace, transforming industries, reshaping societies, and raising profound questions about humanity's place in a world shared with intelligent machines. Robotics, once limited to repetitive factory tasks, has evolved into a complex ecosystem powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technologies. From self-driving cars and surgical robots to AI-powered customer service agents and household assistants like robotic vacuum cleaners, machines are increasingly performing tasks once thought to be uniquely human. These developments are delivering incredible benefits: efficiency, accuracy, and the ability to perform dangerous or monotonous jobs. However, they also prompt fears of mass unemployment, ethical dilemmas, and a potential erosion of human skills. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. While robots are excellent at handling predictable and repetitive tasks, recent advancements in AI are pushing the boundaries into creative and cognitive domains, threatening white-collar jobs once considered secure. Automated journalism, legal document review, and even financial advising are already being carried out by intelligent systems. According to various studies, millions of jobs could be automated in the coming decades, particularly in manufacturing, transportation, and administrative sectors. Yet history shows that technological revolutions, while disruptive, also create new kinds of employment and industries. The key lies in adapting through education, upskilling, and designing systems where humans and robots complement rather than replace one another. Beyond employment, the integration of robots into daily life raises ethical and societal challenges. Can robots make moral decisions? Should they have rights? Who is responsible when a robot causes harm? As machines become more autonomous, the line between tool and independent agent blurs, necessitating new legal frameworks and ethical standards. Moreover, reliance on robots might lead to a loss of essential human abilities, from navigation to interpersonal communication, making it crucial to balance convenience with cognitive engagement. Despite these concerns, the future of robotics is not inherently dystopian. Many experts believe that collaboration, not competition, is the path forward. Robots can enhance human capabilities, assisting the elderly, aiding in disaster relief, and exploring environments too dangerous for humans. In education, they can provide personalized learning experiences. In medicine, they can perform microsurgeries with superhuman precision. The goal should not be to replace humans, but to use robots to elevate the quality of life and solve problems that were previously unsolvable. In conclusion, while robotics poses real challenges, it also offers immense opportunities. The future will likely be shaped not by a robotic takeover, but by how wisely we integrate machines into society. The question is not whether robots will replace us, but how we can evolve alongside them, leveraging their strengths while preserving the essence of what makes us human.